This is the Turner's Crossroad railroad crossing, located in Gold Valley, Minnesota. Here we have two gearless mast signals, each with LED lights and one mechanical bell. This is an overview looking north. Look here at the southern signal. So you got a mixture of one Safetran fading LED and one Harmon fading LED, both in Safetran frames, as well as a Safetran junction box. Here's the dot tag. Dot number is 854225N. This has a Safetran base. Side view of the lights. Back view lights. These are both Safetran fading. And here's a back view of the southern signal. See, there's the old emergency information. Grade here is all rubber. Here's a really long low on the southwest quadrant. Get tracking facing east towards the connection to the UP Golden Valley Industrial Lead, and track view looking west towards the connection towards the CP MN&S line, or MS Spur, whatever. This crossing used to have incandescents, but we all know this is a older signal. But this is kind of one of the only crossings I know of with Safetran fading, but there are others, but I think there's more. Anyways, here's an overview. Now looking south, we look here at the southern signal. We're going to start up top this time, and this has a Safetran mechanical bell. And this time the front of this one in the front side has both Safetran fading lights in 12 by 24 inch Safetran fading LEDs and Safetran frames, as well as a Safetran junction box. Dot tag again. Another Safetran base. Side view to lights. Back view lights. And back view of the northern signal. So this has been the Turner's Crossroad railroad crossing.